There will be a main reactor in the center, left of the control room. A lift goes down to the ground floor, where you will have to take the stairs up. Activate the switchboard by the means of the large lever. And it to the next. My God. What the fuck? What do we do now, huh? Vladimir, if only you could see that. Okay, get ready, Artyom. It's going to be hot.
Good, because I have 20 shots. Let me put that on.
Grenades around the reactor, Artyom. Let's hit them here to be in the safe side.
Sure, why not?
This shit on the floor is toxic for sure, and all the gas. We won't last long here.
Go on, ladies first. Not feeling too great about this plan, boss. Sorry. What? Just wasted bullets? Just run, bro. Great. God damn it! So I hear you don't have any ammo. Well, let's put you into this terrible situation. Where you're already dying as soon as you spawn. Sounds fun? Good, sounds fun. You guys, any ammo? Go down here. Just letting him tank everything. Can this just not be my problem? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just as surprised as you are. Fuck, wrong button. No, up. Don't jump while on a ladder. It will immediately drop you. No! No! Well... I can't shoot for shit, apparently. Or when these guys plant themselves, you can't do anything. That sounds about right. Go, just go. Miller, I literally have nothing to help you with. Unless this works. Miller, use a health pack! You know what doesn't work? Using a knife. Fuck. Did it checkpoint me? Go. Go. Come on. Come on, Miller. Master Miller. Stop that! Just go! Let's... You died. Come on. Miller, please, move. I have one shot. Go. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I have nothing as far as I know. Fucking... Son of fuck. It's so fucking hard to get this right because you don't know when to shoot them. And I can't just kill the spawners because I don't have any ammo for it. Or and I'll just die too. That'll be great. Sure. Alright. I hate slime. They get to a point where they just stop right in front of him and you cannot do anything but to get hit. It's bullshit. And then you can't see. And then I'm gonna reload, he's gonna get raped. Come on, go! Ladder. Ladder.
This is the staircase. Artyom, I won't lie to you. I'm afraid. Well, if hell exists, I'd say we found it. And Satan himself may be waiting for us.
Well, I hope he dies in 2 bullets.
Let's hurry to the bunker. This site just makes me sick.
Let's hurry to the ammo, please.
Okay, where is the lever?
The big one?
We made it! Can you hear us? I knew you'd do it. Colonel, the system is automated. Just enter the command. Sure. Easier said than done. Never thought I'd be in such a mess. Okay. Reactor.
Why does every Russian know how to start up nuclear reactors for missiles?
Sure, simple. They built it so even a fool could use it. Just pray to God it works.
Sir? You said leave your grenades?
Colonel, it's all good. She's at 1/4 power. We need a full charge. Keep it going.
But shit, подери. Oh well, we won't do any better than that. Let's go. Second.
Something bad's gonna happen.
What the hell was that?
Called it!
Now this shit is fighting back. This gets worse every minute. Look.
Can't fight back with
Me.
2 bullets, sir.
Так. Manual activation system. Hydraulics.
Come on.
Shit.
Either give me a...
You won't believe what you have to do now. Can you see the crane on the ceiling? Get to the cap. It's a backup activation system with a capture mechanism which will help us lift the rods. I'll do that while I distract our friend. Okay, let's move. It's now or never!
Is it? Is it? There's a shit ton of ooze. It's not gonna happen. Oh, goody. Where's the lift? On the other side. Good. Well, okay then. Running. Running. Get in there. Now what am I doing? Oh, I see. Let's just do this. Now what? What am I supposed to be doing? I can't see.
Contact zone reached.
Did I pull something? Do I need to pull him? Dear game, could you hang on? Oh, I can't bring up my M.
Contact zone reached.
Okay.
Attention, road removal
Why
in
didn't you-
progress.
Have power.
Great. Did I die? I guess so. But now I know what I'm doing. It's just being picky. Gotta get it right over the thing.
Contact zone reached.
Go down. Pick it up.
Attention, road removal in progress.
Rod removal. Whoa!
Have power.
Over here.
Contact zone reached.
Go down here.
Attention, road removal in progress.
Take that, thing.
Water, just a little bit more.
Come on, come on.
Contact zone reached.
There's no, like, health indication. Or there is, and I'm not seeing it.
Attention, road removal in progress.
Yeah, take that, thing.
100%. Give me a minute.
Artyom! There's a manhole! Drag yourself here!
Attention, collision danger. Movement blocked.
Okay. I'd rather not. How do I... What do you mean there's a manhole? Oh, I think I'm over here. Go up here.
Attention, collision danger. Movement blocked.
I can't get off the crane. Is there a ladder? Can I, like... I can't drag myself. Oh, wait, okay. Got it. I see it. I see it. I do this.
Attention, collision danger.
Bop
Movement
out.
blocked.
Hey, look. And we got any ammo? No, stop.
Shit, man. Too bad we have lost the lift. Well, thank God that in the past everything was built in pairs. We should go this way for now. We'll come back here later and finish what we started. Just need to prepare better. Let's deal with your dark ones first.
Can we get me ammo first? Please? Okay, thanks. Anybody? Anybody? Ammo? Ammunition? I got it. I can... Oh, fine.
Great choice, Colonel. This lift will get you straight to the station, where you have everything working and under control. Though I don't know for how long. Come back to the starting point. Unknown will be waiting there for you with a gift.
I hope it's a lot of bullets. And by a lot, I mean a really lot. I guess I could use that, but that just seems like a waste.
Look at them. Our heritage. Our future. Our
Tanks!
power is here. With all this, we'll rule the earth once more. We won't have to live like rats. Yes, with sword and fire, we'll win back the sky and the sun. We'll climb out of the dirt. Rebuild the cities. The metro tunnels will once again be filled with fast silver trains. Everything will be... everything.
Everything will be everything. That's what the definition of everything is. Okay, thanks, bye.
By fire and sword, we'll take back our world. Miller believed this, and was ready to die for it. But I was filled with doubt. We had already scorched the earth once. Now the fire was in my hands, and I had to carry it through.
With a giant missile. Ammo? Ammo. Anyone? Anyone? Ammo. Oh, it looks pretty up here. Lights are turning back on. Everything's going exactly according to plan. What's the whistling? Oh, these guys walk so damn slow.
So tell me, Colonel, is it easy to be Superman?
The hell with your jokes. See what lives down there. Okay. Let's keep it together. Artyom and I will go to Ostankino to correct the aim. You stay here and defend Vladimir. I won't guess our chances of making it, but try to reach our people and ask for backup near the tower.
Yeah.
I'll be in contact. Orders clear? Good. Artyom, let's go.
Good luck, guys.
There was a whole lot of just... I still don't have any ammo, really. Great.
Artyom, you take the guidance system.
Okay. Pray tell, where is the guidance system? Am I staying or going? I'm sorry, I'm confused. What's going on? Are we going up here? Map! No, we're going in there. Can't if you're in the way. How do you do? How do you train guidance?
Artyom, you take the guidance system.
Well, I understand that. I can't if you're in the way. Oh, I see. I got it. Now what? It's in my pocket. Now what?
Same old story, huh? You save the world while sitting waist deep in shit and nobody gives a damn.
End of level. I was kidding.
Miller and I left the train, then climbed up the tunnel to the Korolev Performance Hall. We were close to Ostankino Tower now. In frozen streets, we joined the other Rangers in the furious battle that began my story.
What? Just a second, guys. Gonna have to cut this part short for now. I'll be back in a few.